May ni somni pasari sang ni somni paruk ani ngay Iran lampang hian in thil ti leak out an ron nei tlat mai ani he thil an ron ti leak out a hi ngay kan ti chuan in United States te ne na inremna siaman tum point chen khat tho hi Iran lampang hian in an ron ti leak out tlat mai ani he thil hi kan ron ring kan ron soi zawanga chumi ma ka hril du cheu chu MVM Educational Institution hoi college sang sang hian in kum sang ni somni paruk sang ni somni pasari atan admission hon mek ani an college campus hi Bangalore Karnataka oma unau mun khata omdu course inang lo zir du emo thian mun thian zaho mun khata omdu course sang zir du detan hemi MVM Educational Institution hoi college sang sang te hi ati chi don emema hen college sang sang a hian in elite health science te pharmacy course computer le IT course management business paramedical physiotherapy le hospitality te course sang sang hi MVM Educational Institution hoi college sang sang na zir thaya eta phone number kan ron tar so 86385 82182 a hian in zukolula mizo in lo chang chewang lo bui bui chewang JS Hmar channel cheng kan huwa te zukti ula tikhanin admission in zukti ve cheu don oh le tuna chonin yan react chanang
Iranian state television is reporting that according to a draft memo, the US will
hethila hi Iranian state media ten anron posani Iranian state media ten anron tilik out to the pohitlem tan official video
end its blockade of Iran's ports, and in return Iran will restore the number of commercial ships transiting through the Strait of Hormuz to pre-war levels soon.
kha poimo khop mai paper anron ti leak out achanga thil lang chiang deu pakhat chu US hian in tuna naval blockade akal puime ka hi ati to panga ti ani mo United States ten anti to panga naval blockade hi ti chuan United States ten naval blockade anti top awangin Iran chuan Strait of Hormuz long kalza takha indo ma a kalzat nen khanin khatiang khanin antluk chhoti le don Iran lampang hian mo om jebera chuanin US hian in naval blockade kha anti topanga ti chuanin Iran chuanin Strait of Hormuz long kaltang an phalzat kha indo ma a kaltang zat ang khani ti khanin an siam chhole to don ti na ni hi Iran state TV Iran state media lampang hian in anron puang ani
Soon. CNN's Oren Lieberman joins us now from Jerusalem with the latest. Oren, what are you learning about this draft memo being reported on Iranian state television?
Linda, this is our first sense of what's in the memorandum of understanding that's being worked on between the US and Iran to try to get to a ceasefire agreement.
Tuna hian in US le Iran te hi inremna siam tumin in beimek kan tito in dormek kan tito in beimek te kan ti an in dormek kan tito khamo tuna Iran state media ina hetianga halika dan ron puan chwa hi Iran le US in kara an MOU an memorandum of understanding an ram heram pathi in kara memorandum of understanding kan lo shiet ve thei chan na ani tuna thilan ron ti leak out hi he thil hi a thadon riu ni in ka hria ki chon ngong te po anei thaviu in ka ringa an chan chu US lampang in naval blockade anti top chuan le Iran lampang in indo ma a Strait of Hormuz longkal angzat kha tiang kal tlang an phal le ani chuan thil man te po hi aron tlaniam lein ka ringa petrol man te po aron tlaniam lein ka ringa hei hi chuan in a thazong in hovel pum hi aron ngong in ka ringa ni.
It is important to note that this information comes from Iranian state television, so we don't yet have confirmation of this from the US side. And crucial.
Masetil poy mo deu chu. He thil hi Iran state media tangin he information hi kan nei ani. He apoy mo. United States te ero chon yan la confirm velo. Iran chuan in aron confirm to United States te eroin la confirm lo. He apoy mo khop mai.
Actually, even Iranian state television says this isn't finalized yet, but it does include a lot of what the US is looking for in terms of the Strait of Hormuz. Iranian state television says the Memorandum of Understanding, or MOU, calls for the U.S. to lift its blockade of Iranian ports and for U.S. military forces to withdraw from the vicinity of Iran.
Iran lampang hian in United States titura andu chu tuna United States in a naval blockade hi he effective MMA a chan chu Iran longchol na muna khatianga lo chol koite vakal tumte khangkha ankal lu theilo an ron kal chuak theilo bokani United States Navy te hian in an lo dang ani he hi Iran hian ti top torin duwa he ba ka hian in Iran chuan in United States te hi Iran ram nai vela United States sipai omzong te hi he te hi labo vectorin Iran hian United States te be sei bokani
And in exchange, Iran would open the Strait of Hormuz and ensure that traffic through the crucial waterway is back to pre-war levels within 1 month. All that according to Iranian state television. Now,
chuanin Iran lampangina an ron puan chule poi model pakhachu hitianga Iran in Strait of Hormuz a long tam takal tang an phalle khi thok le khata indo ma a longkal tang zat anga tam kha an kaltir thei kherlo theia chuwan chuanin Iran lampang hianin thakha chungin ti kan tumang an tiani hei Iran lampangina an ron puan ania United States an pom kherang emero chu shela ma ro chu Iran state media te hian an ron puang ten ne.
Now, that's not it. In terms of monitoring the flow of traffic through the Strait of Hormuz, through which some 1/5 of the world's water flows, through which 1/5 of the world's crude oil flows, it would be up to Iran working with Oman to monitor and control that traffic, according to Iranian state television.
Iranian state television tena an soidan le pakata chuan Strait of Hormuz a longkal tang zong khi Iran le Oman te hianin an monitor don ani ron lu chuak zong te khi Iran le Oman ten an monitor don ti ani hei hi United States ten an pom kherang emala hriat chuang lo amaro chu Iran state media te chon ti hian an ron puang ani hela hi Persian Gulf oma heta tang hianin Strait of Hormuz hela hi ni ta heta tanga ron kal chuak le ron lu ta te kha Iran le Oman te hianin an lo monitor dona hetel United States te chon in than ti lo theia than ti viau thei boka Iran tan chuanin lok na kha ani dona hetiang thil hi ni a thlenga ni chuan.
That in and of itself may be unacceptable to the U.S. Because that, in a way, leaves the Strait of Hormuz under partial Iranian sovereignty.
Kha poimo khoma ya chanchu Iran le Oman te na I longlu chuak rang kha an monitor chuan om jebera chuanin Iran te hianin Strait of Hormuz a hianin engemaw chen chu thunei na an nei ti na ani hei hi United States te hianin an du lo thei Iran state media te hianin indo ma a Strait of Hormuz a longkal tang angzat kha Iran chuanin an kal tang tir liang po ti se Iran le Omanina longkal tang zat kha an lo chin chia khating an lo chui zat chuan Iran te hianin engemaw chen a Strait of Hormuz a chunga hian thunei na an nei don ti na ni hei United States te chuanin an du lo thei.
And that, of course, has been a red line for the U.S. Now, Iranian state TV says this is still in the works. It's still being negotiated, and it's not finalized.
Iran state media te chuanin tuna hianin heng mang hian in biak na akal meka engma kan la finalize chuang lo ma ro chu heng te hi ke mani lampang du da ani tian zong khanin Iran chuan an ron soi ta ani om jebera chuanin an la finalize chuang silo ge mo ren soi ring on ren ti chuanin hei om jebera chuanin inremna angchi te hi confidential thil tam tak te po om ve ni keina kan lo hriat turata na US le Iran ten an du mi lo turang te po kha om ve a amaro chu khang confidential turanga kan ngai ang te kha Iran lampang hian heting hian state media kal tang hian ron puang ve thei tat mo chu United States te hian in Iran lampang hian rin om don lo ra thuruk an vong thei don lo ra te po an ti pha ve thei tho.
But Pakistan is mediating between the U.S. and Iran to try to get to some sort of agreement here. Now, there's a lot we don't know here. According to Iranian state television, it calls for the U.S. to withdraw forces from the vicinity of Iran. What exactly does that mean? Iran has called for the U.S. to withdraw forces from the broader Middle East. I think that's clearly not going to happen. So
Iran lampang hian in United States te chu an ram hnai atang si pai ta la chuak vek turina du hei mai ba ka hian Middle East ram sang sang atang hianin Iran chuanin United States te chu an si pai ta la chuak vek turina du hei hi United States te hianin an du kher ri nom lawa an ti du por ri nom lawa ngai tu pon ngai tu pe pon ka ring lawa a chan chu United States te Middle East ram sang sang an om ve hi United States si pai Middle East ram sang sang an om ve hi apoi mo ve bok ani chu wang chuan Iran hian an du dan hi ting hianin ron soi ma se United States te hian an du ve kher lo thei khata taka khan deal kha an siam theilo pal thei ani
So a lot depends on how Iran defines its vicinity and whether the U.S. would even see it as acceptable that Iran and Oman are left monitoring and controlling traffic through the Strait of Hormuz. But this is a look at the MOU that's in the works here to try to get to a broader ceasefire agreement to end this war and to reopen the Strait of Hormuz. Linda, we have seen a trickle of traffic flowing through the strait.
Tuna tanga kan hriat thei chu US le Iran ten in rem siam an tuma an MOU an Memorandum of Understanding or MOA te pot ithenga Memorandum of Agreement until du Iran thil du te US thil du te khatuna chuanin tlemin kan ron hre chho ve thei zela kha apoi mo ani Iran in du an ne United States ten du an nei boka khang an du ve te khan in ti hlotlin sak thengem tin baka I US hianin Iran assets tam tak he khoi che thei lowin siam sakani hei Iran lampang chuanin an lungoi lo ba United States te chuanin khoi che thei lovin siam hei ti top ro kan assets te hi kan du danin kan ramta na tangkai tur zo te pon kan mang ve du ania ti zo te pokhanin Iran lampang chuanin United States te an Norway me kani heng zong te hi United States te an ti du kherangem tin Iran lampang chuanin US ina Iran abom chiat zong man te pokha choi tur te pon US adu dona khang te kha US lampang an pom thei ngem a hrialo amaro chu tu na kan hre thei china chuan Iran state media lampang hian hetianga US le Iran in a deal siam an tum mek lai hian deal siam an tum mek a point then khat te hi an ron ti leak out ti hi kan hre thei ta ani ole ti zong kha tun tumata na kan hen ri kan han soi zau thei ani video la kan in mule theu donia